What's up, investors? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source and the one information source for everything and anything regarding the stock market, the financial world, and more specifically Lucid. Today, guys, we got a breaking news event for Lucid regarding a subpoena that was sent to them from the SEC. That's right, the SEC. So this must be serious, right? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything other than the YouTube app, there's going to be a button up that says open an app, go to app. I want you guys to press on that, take you directly to the YouTube app on your device. It will take you out of this weird template with your own Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it'll make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So now that you've done that, do that. Let's get this video on Lucid and the breaking news event started. Okay, down 20% in the last 5 trading days due to some market sentiment and kind of the market selling off as a whole. Today's subpoena news did not help Lucid either, okay? Basically, today news came out that the SEC is going to be looking into Lucid and doing some investigation and asking for some extra papers and extra information, etc., which Lucid said, the company said the probe appears to concern the SPAC deal that it took public earlier this year, along with certain projections and statements. Now, do I agree that the projections that Lucid has for its maybe manufacturing and cars sold and etc. are a little bit over the top? Absolutely. But is this something that is related to the SEC, and is it related to them trying to maybe blind investors or fool investors, etc.? Absolutely not. Okay, and I think that personally this subpoena is a perfect example of short and distort. And I also, so what am I talking about short and distort? Okay, so it's important to understand that hedge funds and money managers and etc., right, these guys don't just buy a stock and hope it goes up. Okay, they are actively trading stocks. They buy when it's going up and they short for it to go down. They short in order to make money when it's going down. Okay, and when you are short a stock, you know that you can just give the SEC some advice and some hint on look into Lucid, and you know that the news of Lucid being looked into is going to crash the market and it's going to cause your shorts to be doing very well. Okay, so personally, as in this is not facts, as in don't sue me, Shidadal, okay, don't sue me, this is not facts, but personally I believe this is what we're experiencing right now. Now it's also important to point out that look, subpoenas happen, okay, and subpoena, it doesn't mean that the company is guilty. For example, guys, I mean, there have been a whole lot of other EV companies that have been hit by subpoena just in the previous years. For example, Nikola, right? Nikola, you guys, if you know Lucid, you must know Nikola. Canoo, right? Canoo, another EV company hit by this. Lordstorm, another EV company through SPAC deal hit by this, right? So this is nothing new, and that's why, I mean, like I said, right, every market reaction is an overreaction. Hence why we kind of have this this massive sell-off in today's opening, right? I mean, the stock was down 20% at one point, guys. 20%. I mean, how does that make any sense, right? It doesn't. Absolutely doesn't. That's why it kind of recovered very quickly back to that $45 level, or $43 to $45 level. Now, where is Lucid headed from here is what we're going to be discussing next. But guys, before we get to that, just a quick update that we have not extended the Money Talk Trailer program, the discounted version of it for the end of the year sale. Only end of the year sale. It's going your way, and all the prices are getting raised as well next year. Okay, so make sure you guys get on that. What is the Money Talk Trailer program? These are basically my swing trades and option plays, right, throughout the month with a 10% profits guaranteed. That's right, profits guaranteed or your money back. I mean, who's doing that? Who else is doing that other than me? And that just goes to show how confident I am in my trailers. And I'm offering this in this red market, okay? So imagine how good we'll be doing if the market was actually green and it was doing a little bit of a turnaround, okay? And also it comes with a $200 a month lottery and also an exclusive Discord community, and also, most important thing personally, I believe, one-on-one access to the man himself, Money Talk. Okay, so if you guys have any questions regarding Lucid, if you have any questions regarding anything and everything, you guys can simply just send me a direct message through the Patreon app. Okay, now the Patreon link is in the comments. It will be the first comment. Check that out, guys, because look, I mean, the spots are going off. Okay, we have 20 spots. We added 5 extra spots. 25 spots, right? And 2 of the spots are already gone. So what does that mean? 3 spots left. 3 spots left on the discounted version. Please try to get yours. I know when I say 3 spots left, people already assume that the spots are gone, so they don't even try to sign up, right? But try and sign up, you might get it. And if you miss out on the $20 version, the $30 version is still open, guys, okay? The $20 version is just a discounted version, okay? And look, I mean, if you can't afford the $30 version, leave the $20 version to somebody who needs it more than you. So with that being said, guys, let's get talking about where do I see Lucid heading from here. Well, personally, the stock market is not doing well, okay? The S&P 500 is not doing well. Regarding Jerome Powell's hawkish hawkish approach, which was a complete 180, right? Compared to him coming out and saying, oh, inflation's transitory, inflation's going to go away. Don't worry about inflation. We got it. We'll just print more money to just keep you guys satisfactory levels high in the short term, and then in the long term, we'll just do something about it because inflation is transitory. Well, that's all been flipped since Jerome Powell has now been re-elected as the head Fed. Okay, and I think personally, that was his plan, right? To kind of just, the market loves me. Let me please the market in the short term, leading up to my re-election. I mean, you see politicians do this all the time, right? And I think this was one of the first times that we've seen a head Fed do this, right? Where it's kind of like, okay, I'm going to give people what they want now, and then when I get reelected and I have power for a long time, I'm going to just flip, okay? And that's basically what we're seeing regarding him talking about, yeah, he might have to hike up the interest rates. And look, guys, interest rates going up is not good for the market. Why is it not good for the market? That's because, guys, interest rates going up means prices are going up, okay? Your mortgage is going to go up. Your credit card rates are going to go up. Borrowing money is going to cost more money, right? And etc. And when people don't have money, they're not going to invest. And when people don't invest or spend, the economy doesn't do well. And people have this mindset that the economy equals the stock market. So if the economy is not doing well, the stock market must not be doing well. Even though those two things are kind of very different. But if enough people believe something, it becomes a self-fulfilled prophecy, as we know, and that's what we have in this scenario where everything is just selling off based on the news of, oh my god, Jerome Powell is going to raise interest rates are going up. Okay, so that's what we have here, and that's kind of commonly agreed upon with other with investors in the sector, etc. So should you be buying Lucid right now? Personally, I don't think so. Now, does this dip look very good? Yes, absolutely. Okay, but can you get in a better dip? Yes, because personally, I believe last time that we were in a similar situation to the interest rate dilemma and etc. in 2018, 2019, we took about a 4 to 5 month period in order for the inflation scare. Oh my God, not inflation, the interest rate scare. I don't know why I'm holding my AirPod case, right? But the inflation, or rather the interest rate scares to go away, okay? That was 4 months. It took about 4 months or so, okay? February is where we started seeing kind of a turnaround. From September to February was all scary, and November, October to February of 2018, 2019 was very scary. And then that's when February is kind of where we saw a turnaround. So I would say, look guys, don't invest any money that you're not willing to see go down in the next, that you need, right, in the next 4 months, okay? Because the next 4 months are definitely going to be bloody for the market, okay? Bloody. But we love blood, okay? We love blood over here, and we love buying the dip because we know, look, at the end of the day, the market has recovered 10 out of 10 times, okay? 10 out of 10 times the market has recovered. Now, does this mean a company like Lucid that doesn't have much earnings and is all growth and is all a lot of speculations regarding it is going to suffer during tough times? Absolutely, right? Because those are the companies that are hit hardest. And personally, I wouldn't be looking into investing into Lucid, buying this dip, when I look at it in companies like Palantir, right? For example, Palantir is down so horrendous. That's like, dude, if you're not buying Palantir shares right now and you want to wait for it to go to like what do you want to wait for it to go to, right? What do you want? Like, you know what I'm saying? People don't understand that you never get the full candle. You never get in at the point where the reversal happens, right? So just be happy with the dip that you're seeing right now and enjoy it and maybe average cost into it, okay? Now, what is average costing? That is a whole different video, and which I will come up with, so make sure you guys subscribe. But for now, right, it's important to look, and there's a saying, right? It goes, Bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. Don't be a pig. Don't be a pig. Don't get greedy. Don't try to buy at the cheapest you can get, okay? And understand, look, man, you're going to have to hold. It may be a year. It may be 6 months. But you're going to have to hold. And always have conviction in stocks that you're buying. So when you go through these red times, you only buy more. With that being said, guys, that's my take on the subpoena. Just a quick little update on subpoena. With that being said, check out the trailer program. Guys, I mean, best deal, right? You don't get a deal like that from Walmart. Seriously. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Money Talk.